just going to be a pop type music or a street music.
Made it to the beach. We're at Mahogany Beach, Ultra Rios.
You know how we do.
We're trying to order some food because we are starving. I already had something to drink and now it's time to eat because I'm hungry. We'll see what's going on. Princess, take a picture. Okay, this is my food. Nice, yum yum yum.
Look like a shadow.
Oh my god.
You not see it?
No. Yes. One pepper.
This is some pepper.
Not the type of pepper there.
Blessing us to flow like fun.
Yeah, turn the camera like so. See? Okay. Beach day is over and we are going home.
Well, we can't complain.
about to be raining. So rain is coming down. So we're going home. Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday. Yesterday we went to the beach. I did not really record the clips in that I did get. This morning is an errands day, apparently. So we're gonna go on the road. I record a little bit on my phone so you guys can see what we do, because I'm not gonna take the camera because it's too much people, too much attention. I don't want the attention, so I'm gonna record on my phone, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we made it to the first stop, which is Holt's Hardware. My mom is getting tiles for the bathroom because we are redoing the shower, so she's getting tiles for the bathroom, and then I don't know what else. Oh, some shower curtain thing for the bathroom. So yeah, that's that. Next stop I think is Bashco. We're going to Bashco. She's gonna try to find some stuff. Today's Thursday, by the way. It's Thursday. Like, the trip is almost over. Like, let me turn this down because I don't want to get copyrighted. The trip is almost over. It is Thursday. We got today, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Four more days here, and then we got to go. So yeah, we're gonna go to Bashco. We gotta go to the supermarket tonight because I need to get the stuff that we're bringing home. Seasoning is number one. It is a must. Even if I don't get like fried fish and all of those things, seasoning is a must. My mom is gonna bring pumpkin, so I don't need to buy any, but seasoning, a lot of chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, a lot of Maggi seasoning, some snacks, and then coconut water, definitely. So that's the plan. I'm sitting in the front seat with the baby, my cousin. So yeah, that's the plan. And then I think that's it. I need to start editing the videos because Lord have mercy, it's gonna be a lot to edit if I don't start. We're gonna stop at the church and pick up the food because they're having a wings and pasta fest and we bought tickets, so I'm gonna pick up my food from the church tomorrow, and then after that go home, get ready, and then go to my mother-in-law's business place because they're having a little birthday party get together. So that's the plan for tomorrow. How much of that I'm gonna record, I don't know, but I'm just giving you guys a pre-face. I don't know, I'm giving you guys what's going to be going down, a rundown of what's going to happen tomorrow. I already got my fish, so the only time I have to get my jerk pork is Saturday, because tomorrow night I'm not buying no more food. So Saturday is when I'm going to get my jerk pork, and then if I want to buy more KFC, it's going to be probably Sunday. The last time I'm going to be eating KFC for right now. I also need to go get the cement for the house tomorrow. I need to get cement, and the blocks should get there today because we bought some more blocks so they can run those up, and then hopefully they can run it up Saturday so I can go and look at it Sunday after church and record the progress from then and see what's gonna happen. I need to like see how much, there's a mosquito, I need to see how much the workman money is gonna be so we can work on that. So yeah, Saturday, so yeah, the entire weekend is booked out basically. It's booked out, but I will see you guys later on in Bashco and in the supermarket. I'm gonna try to record a little bit for you guys. This or this?
No, next one, first one.
This? Yeah, this nice. These are really cute vase. We found the picture frames. Now I don't know what we're looking for. Exactly. Oh, I'm ready to go on the bathroom. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're out the store. Son had bought a plant, $57 for it, a banana plant that I want to put in the living room. So yeah, I'll show you guys the plant when I get home. I'll show you guys what I bought. So you get a little haul of the stuff I bought. Pretty sure we spent probably a little over $200 in Bashco right now. Ridiculous. And I still need to go to the supermarket. I still need to buy the cement for the house tomorrow. Yeah, but we're still at Bashco waiting on my aunt, and then we're gonna go to the supermarket. Is it expensive? Come work with me now. Do I want cream crackers? Them? Oh, you know what I want? If them have no. Come we gotta put coconut water. We have to buy that somewhere. Okay, so we're home and I'm gonna give you guys a haul of the stuff that we bought. Pretty sure you guys saw most of the stuff in the video, but we got towel. This is back towel. We bought a queen sheet for my mom's bedroom, or king sheet. Got some shower curtain, well, one shower curtain, some rags, yellow one, garbage bags. And then this mat is to go in the kitchen in front of the sink. Something. So we're gonna go to put on the wall. Two of these. And one of this tall one here. We also got some drinking glasses, only 3. These yellow one, 3 of these, really pretty. And then we also got 3 bowls, cereal bowls. They didn't have the yellow ones to match, so we had to work with these, but these are. And the last thing is just this tray to put in the bathroom or on the dining table. I don't know where we're gonna put it yet, but it's gold and clear to put stuff on. And that's everything that we bought for the house. I'll do a separate haul for the stuff that we bought as food to bring home. I'll do that separately.